Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be project share number 1 using the items that I showed you in the Beebeecraft unboxing. These are going to be using the aluminum roses that I showed you and the filigree pieces, all different butterflies, shapes, and what have you. Alright, the first thing I made were these earrings. Let me see if you can see them a little bit better. So that was the first item that I made, using both the filigree pieces and the aluminum roses. This is another example of what you can do. I made a keychain using the filigree pieces and the aluminum roses, and at the very bottom I put one of these beads as a little dangly. And then the last project share that I did with them is I actually, let me see if you can see that a little better. I made a simple tag. I put the filigree butterfly with the rose in the center. Okay, so that is the 3 different projects that I did with the 2 pieces, filigree, and the aluminum roses. I will have the links for all of the the two products that I use, because I'll do another video with the other 3 products that I use. But the 2 products that I use, which are the aluminum roses and the filigree pieces, I will have the links in the description box. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with number 2. Thanks.